So today in this video we are discussing about the difference between compaction and consolidation of soil. So let's start the differences. The first point is, in compaction it is an instant process, means it is rapid process or take very less time. It is fast process, whereas in consolidation it is slow process, means it takes some times. And the second thing is, in compaction it is used for all type of soil. It is applicable for all types of soil. For gravels also it is applicable, for sand is also it is applicable, for silt also is applicable, and for clay also it will be applicable. But in case of consolidation it is restricted towards clay soil or finer soil. The next thing is, in compaction it is artificial process, means you have to arrange some amount of methods and technologies to do the compaction, like rammers, rollers, vibrators, etc. Whereas in compaction it is a natural process. It is done by sustainable loading or constant loading, so it doesn't require any additional amount of any tools, machineries, etc. Dynamic loads by rapid mechanical method like timing, rolling and vibration are applied for a small interval in soil compaction. This type of dynamic loads like timing, rolling, vibration are applied for a smaller time because it is fast process or take less time. So for small interval of time you take some mechanical methods like timing, rolling, vibration in order to do compaction. Whereas in consolidation it is static and sustained loading is applied for long interval of time. That means for long time you have to keep static loading for long amount of time. In compaction, soil changes from partially to fully saturated condition. Means in the compaction you have to add some amount of water up to optimum moisture content, that is find out in the laboratories by Proctor test or by modified Proctor test or a standard Proctor test. You determine the optimum moisture content value, or up to the optimum moisture content value OMC, optimum moisture content value, you add water. But in case of consolidation, the soil remains in fully saturated condition. That means from beginning to ending the soil remains in saturated condition. Compaction is due to expulsion and compression of air in soil mass, whereas in consolidation it is due to expulsion of pore water. You can see the difference here. In compaction there is expulsion of air, and in consolidation there is expulsion of water from the voids. The next, dry density of soil increases but water content remains same. Water content remains same, water content doesn't change, but the density of soil increases because the air is removed. Whereas in consolidation, dry density of soil increases but water content decreases because the soil is partially saturated, fully saturated. That's the reason the soils seepage out or move out from the voids, and the water content decreases and the dry density increases. In both compaction and consolidation there is one similarity, is the dry density of soil increases, which is good for the behavior of soil. And compaction is done for dry soil or for partially saturated soil, whereas in consolidation it is done for only fully saturated soil. Compaction is done for finer soil, compaction does for all types of soil, and consolidation is done for finer soil like silt and clay. Hope you like this video. If you like my work, you can subscribe to my channel, alhaqabbas. Thank you.